Hey Whittier families, this is Mr. Sakonis. Just wanted to give you a quick informational video on Jump Rope for Heart this year. And I did last week, I sent out 4 pieces of paper to your student about the different things that are going on with Jump Rope for Heart. And I just wanted to explain those letters or those pieces of paper to you so that you had a better idea of what's going on, because I know sometimes the messages don't get relayed perfectly when they come home from your students. So the first letter that I wanted you to look at, it was a yellow letter I believe I sent home. It was just a letter just letting parents know when we will be hosting the event, which is March 5th through the 7th, which is going to be in their Phy-Ed class. So when they're in school, they're going to be doing this. It's not outside of school. I'm just letting you know kind of why we're doing this, why this is important to me. And then down here on the bottom, you know, I mentioned that over the past 6 years, we have raised over $12,000 for American Heart Association, and we want to keep that rolling here at Whittier. So that is that first page. It's a parent letter. Second thing that your student brought home was, it was kind of a it's like the online, I guess, portion of the event. It tells you over here where to go to heart.org /jump, and then to find your school, and then you can do a lot of your donations and a lot of the things that you want to do online, which makes things so much easier. It also shows some of the different Scare Squad members. The theme this year is Scare Squad. And then it also just important dates to remember is that the actual event is March 5th through the 7th in their class, and then donations are due March 14th. Now, if there are donations that come in a little bit late, I will still send those in. It's not something where I'll send them back to you, but just try to please get those done by March 14th. And then there's another page that went, it was a save the date. And again, just kind of the same idea, letting you know when the event is. That went home with your child too. Now, I know the dates were wrong on the ones that I sent home. They said March 3rd through 5th. They're actually March 5th through the 7th. March 3rd through 5th would, I believe, be the Friday and that weekend. That wouldn't make sense. So it's actually March 5th through the 7th. Kind of what they were showing with that AmericanHeart.org /jump or hoops is you go to that and then you find your school. You would type in Whittier Elementary and I'd search for it. And then down here a whole bunch would come up and I'd look for Whittier Elementary Waukesha. My name is here, which is the team leader. And then you would sign up over in this area, and then that's how you would then maybe have people donate. You can give links out to people. I know one thing that I've done is I've put the links out on Facebook or links out on Twitter so that people could, if they want to donate, they can do that. So it just makes it really, really easy for you. And then once I'm in the headquarters, I can see, like right now we have 4 students registered. Our goal is $2,000, and so far we have $40 raised online. Now that doesn't mean that we only have $40. I know some kids are going door to door and asking for money, but yeah, so that's kind of what I can see and what I'm looking at. There is a sheet that I sent home that is our envelope, so that's where you kind of collect your money. I don't have a online copy of that, but that one is very important just to make sure that is brought into me. And on the back of that there are, and it's right here on the back of this sheet, there are thank you gifts on there, which the students can earn the different levels based on how much money that you raise. And then on the inside, that's kind of where they have the donations, and you can write their names in. Another nice thing about Jump Rope for Heart is that the more money we raise, the more money goes into our Phy-Ed program. So we get gift cards for US games, and then we can buy equipment so that your kids can use those in class, which is another nice benefit of all this. One other thing is that this Milwaukee Bucks flyer, I did not send these home, but if your student raises $10 or more, they get these discounted Bucks tickets, which is really nice. And also if they're the highest raiser in the school, so they're the one student that raises the most, they get to go, which is over here at that Sunday, March 25th. It's a post-game student clinic. So the student that raises the most, you need to buy tickets to go to it, but that student will then be able to go onto the court after the game, shoot hoops, jump rope, and there's some different things that they get to do, which is really cool. So I just wanted to make things clear about Jump Rope for Heart. Now, I told your students this is not something that I expect them to do. This is just, it's an option. It would be really, really nice to help. I know I've had grandparents that have all had heart surgeries. They've all passed away, but I know how expensive it is, and I know how much time being in a hospital can get really expensive. And this money that we raise and we have raised over the past 6 years can help in little ways. I just want to help in any way possible. So if you have any questions, please feel free. I did on that parent letter to call me at school. You can call the office and they can direct you to me. Otherwise, my email is right here on the bottom. Hopefully that this information gets to you. If it did not, I have extras. If your student needs more paper because they lost it, please have them come to me. I've told them they just need to come and ask me politely. So, and then once all the money's turned in, I wait till everybody turns money in. I send it out, and then I get the prizes sent back to me, and then I give those out to the students. And I know sometimes the kids get a little impatient with the gifts, but just letting you know how that works as well. But again, if you have any questions, please feel free to call or email me. Thank you for your time. Bye.